Hello guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about this cryptocurrency Mana, which is also known as Decentraland. The reason why we are covering is because there is a sudden pump that we all have seen in this particular cryptocurrency, and more than anything else it is not a meme coin. The reason it is pumping is because of the announcement, the biggest announcement probably of this decade, that is Facebook officially rebranded itself to Meta, which is to promote the metaverse. How big this metaverse is going to be, this is in fact the metaverse, as I have been already talking onto my channel even before Facebook branded itself as Meta. It is going to be a thing in itself. What I mean by that is that there is a crypto market, right? It is a thing in itself. There is a complete social media. It is a thing in itself. Similarly, the metaverse is going to be a thing in itself. Once people are going to get into it, I mean, there's no way coming out. And in fact, there will be so many industries are going to be formed within the metaverse that nobody even knows about. As the demand grows, as the people get into, and the reason, this is the exact reason that this coin has started pumping. Now, what is the use of this particular coin? As you can see by the name Decentraland itself, we are also going to talk about the future price prediction and what is the course of action that we can take related with this coin. Now, as you can see, this is the official website of Decentraland. Now, was this built like after probably Facebook announced about the metaverse or stuff? Definitely not. This was built in 2017 and it has been slowly and steadily progressing. So this is like one of the coin, and the use of this particular coin within the virtual world, probably even if Facebook is not accepting like this particular coin, like maybe Facebook will accept, maybe Facebook will not accept, but this coin is designed for this Decentraland, like the metaverse land. So a lot of other metaverse projects will be built and they are going to use a coin like this. Why? Because this has been developed specially for that. And in fact, a lot of people have been buying the real estate in this virtual metaverse through this coin Mana, right? As well as a lot of other things that people can buy, like the avatars, like the different unique items, the advertisement, so many things like within the virtual world metaverse. Just that they have established themselves, they have already tested, they are already used, the conversion is already happening. It's just that this is the perfect time matching with the perfect opportunity. Why? Because Facebook is the biggest, one of the biggest company in the world. It is officially rebranding itself to Meta, promoting metaverse. Billions of people are going to now enter into the metaverse. Just imagine right now several 100,000 people involved with metaverse dealing with Mana and stuff, and then suddenly there is a potential billion people. The network effect has a huge role. This is the reason Bitcoin price grew so much. This is the reason Ethereum price grew so much. Ethereum started like cents. It was $9 at a time, at one point of time, and right now it is more than $4,000, speculated to be $10,000. Why? Because so many people got attached to it, and eventually when the billions of people are going to come into the crypto world, we are going to see further the price skyrocketing like anything. So this is what is happening, the network effect, and yet the network effect has not actually taken place yet. It is just the news and the speculation that the network effect is going to make this particular coin so much useful, because this is going to be used for the transaction in a big way, and other metaverse coins as well, like Sandbox and you name it, like BAT, a lot of other coins as well, but especially this particular coin which is known as Mana. Now here's the point to tell you guys from the price point of action and what you are going to do, how are you going to be benefiting from it. One of the things that you can see right now, it is approximately $5 billion of market capitalization. The price does not matter for any coin. The only thing that matters is market capitalization. So Ethereum right now is like $500 billion approximately. Bitcoin is over $1 trillion, right? And so many other coins. So for this coin to actually, like, if let's say this coin goes to 100x, that means right now it is $2.7, it goes to $270. It is going to come online like in parallel with Ethereum's market capitalization. So is it going to happen right away? Definitely not. Why? Because Ethereum is eventually going to cross the $1 trillion mark. Once the complete market cycle expands to the next level, then something like this might be possible. But can it go 10x? Like $5 to $50 billion. So many projects are already $50 billion approximately, and with so much of the use, definitely it can 10x. So this is the reason that the price is jumping from here and then suddenly it is going up. But one more thing I wanted to tell you, there is a book known as The Intelligent Investor, recommended by Warren Buffett. And within that book, one of the great lesson is that however the good project may be, the price of the stock or anything that has a price related with this, or as in a stock model, the price is always going to be corrected. It does not matter, it cannot be always going up. So at the peak it actually reached, as a blow off top, $4.8. Like if you see the 1-day chart, it eventually reached like more than $4, but then the correction is bound to happen. So right now the correction is happening, so you need to analyze. But still, like even after correction, it is more than 3 times, like 3.5 times above, and still like it is rolling from $2.60 to $3 approximately. Now a little bit consolidation is happening, but what is the potential? Definitely the potential is at least 10x from here. So we are speculating at least $27 to $30 to be reached soon. When I say soon, it can be anytime. But at the same time, what we also need to understand, that if the crypto market price crashes, like let's say Bitcoin is going to reach more than $1 million, but still sometimes it crashes, like it went half, 50% correction happened. So there could be correction that we all need to see for it. Like let's say it is already reached like 3 times, so it is not a wise decision to buy at this point. But once the correction is happening, the potential is there, and you're planning to hodl for a significant period of time, definitely you can enter it, right? Because see, the point is, however you are sure that it is going to go to 10x from here or 20x from here, if you see your portfolio, like if you have, let's say, applied $10,000 and then you see 30% decline, your 10,000 is showing right now $7,000, you feel a little upset about it. So rather than getting into that particular zone, wait for the dip, wait for the correction. And I think right now a little bit correction is happening. Similarly, it is going to happen in the future as well. Like maybe at whatever point that you're watching the video, the price is going to go up and then somewhat correction is going to happen. That's when you need to put, once you see at the downfall. Do not put when everything is just going parabolic. Just wait for the correction. Downfall is going to come, and that's when you apply. Once the downfall comes, it is going to go up as well. But in terms of potential, this project was specially designed for this particular moment, especially designed for the world of metaverse. Now Facebook officially branding the metaverse into the entire world, so definitely the value has suddenly increased. And one of the most interesting factor about this particular coin right now, $5 billion is the market capitalization. What is the 24 hours volume, that transaction that has happened on this particular coin? $18 billion. That is something unheard of. Like you have $5 billion of entire market capitalization, entire value of this whole coins, number of coins multiplied by tokens. But the total transaction that has happened within 24 hours is $19 billion. That itself speaks the volume that how much valuable this project is going to be, how much investors or institutions are interested into this particular project. So definitely there is a big potential upcoming, and this is the reason you all need to understand, and this is the reason I covered the video for this. I mean, this is, if you go to this decentraland.org as a website, as you can see, so many things: the builder, the land, marketplace. They are selling the things for the metaverse, the lands for the metaverse. So basically purchasing a land is normally happening via this Decentraland token. This is the reason, like along with other tokens like Sandbox and stuff. So this is the reason it is skyrocketing. It is going to further skyrocket. Metaverse is here to stay, and definitely coins like these are here to flourish. This is what we need to understand. And I'm being conservative when I say 10x. It can go to any amount, like it can go 30x, 50x, right? We have seen a lot of projects going on because metaverse is going to be multi-trillion-dollar industry in the future. By the way, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do ensure you hit the subscribe button, because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances, and the goal of this channel is to give you financial freedom. At the same time, please do hit the like button Please do comment down below for the best takeaway from this video, or any of the questions that you may have, or any future suggestions you have, or any future curiosity you have that I make video on that topic. Please mention down below in the comment, and I'll definitely ensure that I see to it, and I'll try to reply each one of you and take note of your suggestion. So thanks a lot again, guys, for tuning in, and I hope that the video was helpful, video was useful. This is what we need to see and understand. These are the parameters, very important, like the volume that is happening speaking that there are big people actually interested into this particular coin. And this is not something like a meme coin where some billionaires or like the FOMO is doing all that. This is actually being used into something which is going to be evolving, which is actually going to humanly affect the network chain. So that is the reason it is pumping. So definitely worth it even in the long term. So again, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.